According to official data, 893 petitions were filed in the Supreme Court during 2009. Federal Sharia courts received 1,838 petitions, while more than 57,000 cases were filed in the Lahore High Court, whereas 157,000 cases are pending before the LHC. The major reason behind these pending cases is the vacant seats of 141 judges. Presently, there are only 20 working in the Lahore High Court. On an average, the High Court took suo motu notices twice every week.
I think the suo motu cases should be, but minimum, because I believe the petition should be filed for every case, even in Supreme Court under Article 184(3), public interest litigation, for everything. So it becomes things easier because you got the counsel sitting there and they already had made a lot of research.
In 2009, the Lahore High Court decided more than 6,000 cases. Like the previous years, most of these cases were registered against police over harassment, torture, illegal detentions and unlawful raids. The important cases in which suo motu notice was taken by the Lahore High Court Chief Justice Khwaja Muhammad Sharif include the Sharif brothers' eligibility case, suspension of punishment awarded to Federal Minister for Interior Rahman Malik by the Accountability Court, ban on Basant, sugar crisis, holding of by-election, sale of adulterated milk, Khanani and Kalia money laundering case, barring of the deportation of 5 accused US nationals and death of 3-year-old Imane Malik due to the negligence of doctors at the doctor's hospital.
Certain cases are very important in the sense the violation of fundamental rights of the people, life and liberty is in danger. So that cases are normally taken up by the Chief Justice or judges of Supreme Court very quickly, on urgent basis. But on the other hand, there are other people, those who are, decaying in the prisons and their cases are pending, they have the right too as well.
The year 2009 also proved to be controversial for the lawyers as they manhandled journalists for covering brutal torture of policemen at their hands. The action resulted in a series of protests by Pakistan Federal Union of Journalists. However, the protests were called off after lawyers apologized for their misbehavior when Chief Justice of the Lahore High Court took suo motu notice of the incidents. More than 80,000 cases, mostly family disputes, are pending before the civil courts of Lahore. The year 2009 will always be remembered as a historic one as the democratic government restored the sacked judiciary. Legal experts say that the decisions of the apex court in certain cases like the National Reconciliation Ordinance suggest that the country has finally got an independent judiciary. Umar Farooq, Dawn News, Lahore.